de Arta, no? Sin, did you come here of your own free will to be bound in marriage to Jessary Dumo? Okay, kusti, para
Yes.
makano. Yes, there. Okay. Jess, did you come here of your own free will to be bound in marriage to Sin?
Yes.
To the both of you, do you take upon yourselves the duties and marriage state of your own free will and voluntarily?
Yes.
Okay. Now, Sin, do you take Jess, here present to be your lawful husband, and do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I
Okay. Jess, look at Sin. Jess, do you take Sin here present to be your lawful wife, and do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
So, to the both of you, do you promise to be faithful and true to each other as long as you both shall live?
Yes.
Okay. So, we have the ring now. Can we get the smaller ring? Kuha ang mas gamay para kay C. Okay. And as you repeat after me, i-insert mo ang wedding ring kay Sin, but you look at her while repeating after me. Okay? Sige. Okay? Nagdalanin mo yung isa ring. And repeat after me. Look at her. Sin,
Sin,
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a token of my love
as a token of my love
and devotion to you
and devotion to you,
now and forever.
now and forever.
Now, Sin, you take the other ring and insert it to the ring finger of Jess and repeat after me. Look at Jess sa mata, okay? Jess,
Yes,
I give you this ring
I give you this ring
as a token of my love
as a token of my love
and devotion to you
and devotion to you,
now and forever.
now and forever.
Okay. Now, by authority vested in me by the Republic of the Philippines as presiding judge of the Regional Trial Court Branch 61 of Kidapawan City, I now pronounce you Jessary Dumo and Hyacinth Flor de Arta, husband and wife. Now, to everyone here, kindly affirm to me, you attest that you were able to witness that Sin and Jess have indeed exchanged their vows in this marriage ceremony. So, do you affirm as witnesses?
Yes.
Yes. On behalf of the Republic of the Philippines, I wish you well and all God's blessings, and I urge you, everyone who represent the community, to accept them as new couple in our community and to support them with love and your concern. Now, Jess, look at each other. Jess and Sin, hold each other's hands. You may now kiss each other. Okay. Congratulations.
Congrats po bro.
Salamat sa pag